Hello and welcome to Royal FX Trading. My name is Zubeyr. Today's episode, guys, we are going to analyze again the market, and I will give you the latest updates on the market. Guys, as you know, yesterday we had NFB news, and you can see here the result of the news. NFB usually this news comes out every Friday, the beginning of the month, every in each month, and we can see here on average and non-firm employment change. The previous was 333,000 and forecast was 187, but we get more than that, which is 353,000. Also, we had unemployment rate, and we can see here it is 3.7. Previous was again same, but the forecast was 3.8 as well. So as you can see here, if the USD news become positive, that means USD, all the pairs for USD will be strong. So now, guys, I'm going to show you one by one for all the pairs that we analyze it and how the result it became. So first of all, if we start on DXY dollar, guys, we can see here gold, how beautiful the structure went and strong area. So we can see here a descending channel we have here, and of course here is a strong buy area. So guys, getting this trend, uptrend, that means here we have all the pairs that end up on USD, or whether they start on USD. So if we look them one by one, okay, let's start on Euro USD. Of course, Euro USD is the opposite of dollar, so we can see even the same structure, guys. Okay, here we have a descending channel. Always, guys, you know this button make reversal on the market, so it's one of the reversal buttons here from it, and you can see how beautiful it dropped Euro USD, which is almost, guys, only yesterday on 96 pips. So this is amazing. Also, guys, if we look JBP USD, JBP USD is same as Euro USD. Okay, they are all opposite to dollars. So also we can see how lovely JBP USD dropped as well, and almost we catch up this one 153 pips, and still it drops. So this is, guys, this is unbelievable. The structures are pure solid structures. And now if I also showed you AUD USD, we can see here also here we had a double bottom here, and exactly you can see here is a strong sell area, of course, and again after it back here, boom, we get a sell area. So now also I will also show you guys NZD USD. NZD USD is already hit the target as well, which is 98 pips. Okay, so guys, if you look all these structures was, guys, like, this is one of the miracles, I think, in a forex market, because getting one like the how the market form is actually behaves like it plays a key role. Okay, like that means USD is the key in this market, guys. Okay, of course it's the strongest pair, but I mean, like, only getting the direction of the of the dollar, that means you are getting all the other directions on other pairs. So now let's show you again here a USD CHF. Of course it's starting from USD, that means we are expecting a strong buy, and the miracle thing is that here we have a strong buy area. Okay, another we can say here we have here a strong pie area, double bottom plus descending channel. All these confirmations, guys, showing you that this pair will be in a strong and buy direction. So that's why, guys, we already get 128 pips. Okay, so also here we have as well USD CAD. Look, guys, all of them are the structures the same. I just analyze and I want to show you how beautiful these structures are. Okay, so this is, guys, this is a reality on the market. The strategy we use is based on trend line. Of course, it's a market structure. So but we are getting 90%, guys, on entry, which is perfect entries as well. So now here we have a strong buy area as well, double bottom plus descending channel, reversal button here formed, and we get almost 100 pips. Okay, guys, if like all of the pips we get, I think it's more than 1000 pips. Look how amazing JPY as well. Look, okay, look, all the USD pairs, they were strong. And lastly, I want to show you gold. Gold was our favorite pairs, guys. We have been analyzing on gold starting from the beginning of January. Okay, and we cashed more than like 1000 pips on gold. And look what happened yesterday, guys. Okay, look, gold, you know, you have to believe one thing in this market if you want to succeed. Okay, the market, the patterns, it's repeating itself. Okay, look here, we had a strong sell area. You can see gold drop it here almost 600 pips, and what happened, guys, is that it back the same position here. Okay, so now that means here we have double bottom, but can you enter the market here? No. That means you should get an impulse correction. After this correction, of course, is the best entry ever. Okay, so that is why always you have to be patient and wait for confirmation, guys. Even if you go for 15 time minutes, you can see exactly. Look, when the market you can see it breached a little bit, but what happened then? We get impulse here. After the impulse, we get correction. So that means after this correction, you are getting an entry. How you get? Look, even if we go 5 minutes, guys, the market will never lie to you. The market will never lie to you, guys. Okay, look here, how amazing. Once you trust your strategy, guys, you will be unstoppable. This market, I have been in this market for more than 5 years, guys. Okay, the experience I have it on trend line. I know like many people will say like trend line doesn't work, it's untrustable, but for me, I don't know, like you don't need to listen to people, you know, you have to trust for yourself. So this is the result we are getting, guys, and you can see how amazing gold dropped. Look here, 288 pips in one single move. How amazing is that? Okay, so guys, always focus on we are here to make money. We are not here to argue with you know, everybody comes here in this market for a reason. So that means like all we are coming just to make money, you know. So for you, it's up to you which the strategy you use, which you believe, you know. Only always focus on the market, focus on what's happening, and I am sure you will succeed. Okay, I am sure you will succeed. So of course, the upcoming next week, I will analyze as well. I will guys show you the important pairs that we will focus on next week. But today's episode was just to share with you the beautiful structures that happened yesterday, that the market gave us, and the opportunity we get it. So any other update, of course, I will let you know, guys, and always I will try to share with you to upload you new videos. Stay tuned, and also subscribe to our channel. So see you, guys.